and Baba. This is me, Benji. I'm almost done with my construction. Well, I'm finishing up. I just have to build the roof onto this and some more parts of the yard. So here we have the front door. Here's the garage, and here's the musical doorbell. It's realistic with the dog barking too. Next, we have the guy who's cutting his bush, and Baba, you'll be happy because he's left-handed. See, here's the scissors in his left hand. So, that's that. Then there's a stone path leading up here. Now here's the barbecue, and here's some, so this opens up, and then when the guy really needs to clean out the coal, you can flip it all the way up into this grilling, to the grilling heat. And then here's a nut. Next we have the opening yard doors with a sensor light. You open this one first, then this one, and go out. This just goes up and down. It's not really supposed to, that's just the way it's built. Then the opening and closing door. Then, into the house, we have stairs, we have a fireplace, and that's really all I've constructed. Bye, and I really like the set.